Welcome to the sixth tutorial on quantitative analysis using Stata software. In this tutorial, you are going to learn about the process of creating log file and do file. Log file is a useful file that can be recorded by clicking on File, then Log, then Begin. After clicking on Begin, there will be a new window where you have to give a title for the log file, and then you have to click Save to start the recording of all of your command in the log file. But already this command is given by me at the initial stage, you can see. That's why I think all the output as well as the command will be automatically saved in the log file. Since I have recorded all the output in the log file, now I am going to close the log file here. You can click File, Log, Close. After closing the log file, it is showing that the log file is closed. That means all of my command as well as the output will be available in the log file. Same way, you can create a do file by clicking on here, New do file editor. If you click on here, you can see this is the do file. In the do file, you can save all the command, and you can use this do file for automatic command at a time for all the command you have used for your analysis purpose. Suppose I am going to copy all the command from this command bar. I am pressing Ctrl A from the keyboard, then Ctrl C for copying the commands. Then in the do file, I am going to paste all the command. So this is the do file you can use for doing the same analysis for your research purpose. But in this do file, you can give some instructions. Suppose this is the command you have used to declare the panel data. In that case, if you forget why you have given such type of command, you can give a short notes. Whenever you are writing the short notes, you can give star. So inside the star, whatever you written, this will not be considered as a command, but for your understanding purpose, you can give such explanation before each command. As for example, this command is for knowing the types of data. In that case, you can give a notes. So this is the way you can give a notes. These notes will not be used as a command by the Stata software. Just for your understanding, you can give such type of notes before the command. This is another command which can be used to get the descriptive statistics. To keep in your mind about the use of this command, you can give a note, and after writing the command that are taken from the command bar of the Stata software, you can create the do file. Click on Save. Then you have to mention your file name. After giving a title of your do file, click on Save. So this is the do file you can use for your future analysis. Whenever you need to show your analysis to anybody, then you can use this do file. Whenever you click on execute quietly, then all the command will be implemented automatically by the Stata software. So this is the benefits. If you want to implement all the command, then click on here, then automatically all the command will be implemented in the Stata software. So this is the use of do file. You can apply the commands at a time by giving one click here. It will be a very beneficial for you whenever you are going to do the same analysis to show in front of your supervisor or anyone else. Thank you.